Yes, Margs. Margs. Alin ba? One or two? Marg or Marge? Who's your favorite drag queen sa season 3? One. Okay. Margs. Okay. Sige, go. Ano yung question mo, Margs? Tigas nito. Ay, masarap. Matigas, pero masarap. Hoy! Okay. Guys, I don't have... Wala akong alam kung ano nangyayari. May nabasa lang ako or like may nakita lang ako sa X about kay Lady Morgana and kay Lady Kikita. I don't know the full context about it. I don't know if it was even proven or whatever. Pero ang dami kong nababasa ng mga comments na, you know, negative, ganyan. And may nakita ko nga din yung may isang event sila Eva na nag-pull out sila in terms of na hindi na masasama si Lady Morgana dun sa show, ganyan. Pero for the record, wala po akong alam, wala po akong idea kung anong nangyari or whatever. Ako, I am against the action, but I'm not saying that, you know, they did it because wala naman akong proof, hindi ko naman alam yung nangyari. So, ayun. Hindi ko talaga alam. May public apology. Okay. Alright. So, I don't know. I don't know the full context of what had happened and anong nangyari, sino yung involved, ganyan. So, kasi ayoko naman magkasaw-saw sa isang issue na hindi naman ako kasama. It's just that yung hindi ko tinotolerate yung mga ganyang actions. Basta stick ako sa mga daddy ko. Tsareng. Stick ako sa mga daddy ko. Kailan ka babalik? Babalik saan? Sino favorite mo sa season 1? Nung nag-start yung season 1, si Vinyas talaga yung favorite ko nun. Of course, iconic yung entrance niya, 'di ba? And then, yun, si Vinyas talaga. And then, as nag-progress yung season, nag-shift ako to sino to? Si Marina Summers and Precious Paula Nicole. So, ayan. What year ka po nag-start mag-drag? I started 2021. Officially 2021. Pero dati I think I've done that before. Dati na nagde-dress up na ako ng pambabae, nagwi-wig na ako. If halungkitin nyo yung mga previous pictures ko, meron talaga guys na naalala ko pa yung damit ko noon is sparkling na silver na onesie siya na my sleeves, short sleeves, and then hanggang sa parang pencils, parang ganun. Hindi ko basta dress siya. Pero hanggang hanggang sa may legs, ganun, yung cut. Tapos nakaano pa ako, yung wig ko pa noon, oh my god. Yung pinakaunang wig kong binili, ang mahal pa nun guys at that time 2,000 pesos, ang mahal. Tapos hindi pa lace front. Ano siya, yung may bangs na pa ganun. Tapos straight black, and then side, naka mid part ba yun or side? Parang side ata. Basta, hindi, naka mid part, tapos may bangs. Tama ba? Tapos mahaba siya, tapos kulot in the end. Ganon. ask ko lang po if mga drag queen, if may mga drag queen na napipilitan lang gawin yung pagdadrag just for money, ask lang. I don't know because ako, I do it because I love the craft. I love doing drag. I love dressing up. I love performing. If ever meron man, I think they should rethink their reason behind why they're doing what it is they're doing. And not just for drag. I think this is just like a general thought na if you're doing something for the sake of money, well, practicality, yes, okay. But dapat it should also be paired with yung passion mo. Why you're doing it? Because you're passionate about that one. Parang ano na lang, icing on top na lang yung yung money. Kasi of course, guys, let's be practical. Kailangan talaga natin ng pera, 'di ba, para mabuhay. Pero in terms of what you're doing in life, may it be drag, may it be photography, may it be whatever, dapat you're very passionate about that one. Yung parang gusto mo talaga siyang gawin. Not because ito yung uso ngayon. Gusto ko maging drag queen kasi itong uso ngayon. Ito yung napapanood ko ngayon or ito yung patok ngayon. No. 'Di ba? You have to be parang true to yourself na ano ba talaga yung gusto mo. Ganon. Hi, kasi may drag house Kapubama. Can I say wala? Because wala na akong drag daughters. So, ang tigas talaga niya. So, pero, I don't know. For now, I would say no, wala. Pa-advance treat naman sa birthday ko, June 2. Mag-start na kasi school namin sa June. Uy, good luck sa school. Aral muna bago lande, alam niyo yan. And advance happy birthday sa Rain. I hope that, you would have the best time, the best day of your life. Enjoy mo yung day mo. Mamaya na yung negativity kasi it's there lang naman. Be safe, be healthy, and just be happy. Love you. Ayun. My thoughts about the two ladies. Nasabi ko na kanina. Ayoko maulit-ulit. Basta, hindi ko po alam yung full story. Hindi ko po alam yung anong nangyari, who are the, kung sino yung mga involved or whatever. I just feel sorry for them kasi friends ko din sila Lady Morgana and Lady Gagita. Friends ko sila, honestly. And I feel sorry because parang it's going to be a hard experience or a difficult experience for them right now to be involved in that. So, pero ako din, I also stand against the act. So, hug flare, more power. Ano daw? More power to you, mother. Thank you so much. Walang pangalan. Smile lang. Ganun. Hello, Iloilo drag queen. Hi! I've been to Iloilo once, pero hindi yung matagal kasi dumaan lang kami ng Iloilo kasi pag Gimaras kami. So, ayun. Pero nag-stay pala kami ng one night sa Iloilo. Pero hindi ko na-explore yung Iloilo. I would want to. But, yeah. Hello! Pa-shoutout naman po as Iloilo Drag Community. Hello sa mga Iloilo. How do you call yourselves ba? Iloiluan. Tama ba? How do you call yourselves? Kasi pag Cebuano. Pag Iloilo, how do you call it ba? Ano ba yung Iloilo? Ilonggo, ayan. Sa mga Ilonggo drag sisters ko dyan, hello sa inyo. And also, Sorry na ano, may tumawag kasi. Again, take two. Hello sa mga Ilonggo na drag sisters ko dyan. I can't wait to be there and see you guys perform and just, spend a day or a night with you guys and just get to know, your drag and Iloilo. I would want to explore Iloilo also. So sana ma-tour nyo ako dyan sa Iloilo. I would want to explore a lot of things. Your culture, your mga good places nyo, yung mga pagkain nyo. Of course, yan yung pinaka-importante. And of course, you guys, gusto ko talaga like makita yung mga different kind and different styles of drag. So, hopefully in the future makita-kita tayo, mga Ilonggo kong drag sisters. I love you. See you soon. Wait mo na. Alam nyo ba, gusto ko makita yung Final Destination kasi curious ako like, may nakikita akong mga videos about yung mga reaction ng mga tao na parang very cringy, ganyan. So, I'm interested to watch it. I just don't know where. Ako, hindi kasi ako ma-movie house na person eh. Number one, magastos. I'd rather watch it here sa bahay para if ever example, emotional siya, hindi ako mahihiya, like umiyak or whatever kasi nasa bahay lang ako and emotional pa naman ako na person. So, yeah. Bye, Rain! Love you too. Ma-try mo na mag-Roblox. Hindi ako naglalaro nyo. Hindi nga ako nag-ML. Alam nyo anong nilalaro ko? Aside from myself. Yung mga nilalaro ko, guys, The Sims 4 sa computer ko. And then, or sa laptop ko. And then sa PS4, I am playing God of War, The Last of Us. Ano pa ba? Ano pa ba mga nilalaro ko? Basta mga ganung style na mga laro yung nilalaro ko. Mag-give me some advice about more enhanced and something different during performance. Okay. I feel like mas mai-enhance ka or mas challenge ka if you are surrounded by mga magagaling na drag queens. Because mapupush yung limit mo eh. Kasi, 'di ba, sabi nga nila, you would become the best if you compete with the best. Although hindi naman siya competition, but think of it like as an inner competition din sa self mo, just to challenge yourself and just to push your limit din. Because because I feel like, and ito yung nangyari sa akin, yung sa Drag Race, it was like a catapult sa drag journey ko. Because I'm surrounded by very talented and very up there already ng mga drag queens. Grabe yung pag-push ng drag ko talaga. So, surround yourself with people that would help you improve your craft. Ganon. And don't be afraid to ask for feedback. Don't be afraid or don't be open to feedback. Ganon. So, if walang nag-feedback sa'yo, ask for it. Like, how can I improve pa? Saan pang pwede kong i-improve sa craft ko? Yung ganito. Be open to any possibilities. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na pag sinabi ng isang drag queen na ganito. Hindi ibig sabihin na dapat mo siyang gawin. Take it into consideration. Take a lot of insights, tips, and feedback, and then gather them, and then pick the important ones that you think will benefit you. Ganon. What's your favorite moment being a drag queen? The moment that I received that call from Drag Race Philippines. Honestly, that was when my life changed. Full 360 talaga siya. As in like, ganun. Thank you so much pala sa gift. No problem, Rain. My pleasure. No problem, Kelsey. Si Kelsey pala yung nagtanong. Si Kelsey, nakita ko na to si Kelsey kasi. Mind you guys, I've seen the growth of these queens kasi nagkasabay na kami sa Cavite. Tama ba, Kelsey? Cavite ba yun? So I've seen the growth from when kung kailan kami nag-meet dito sa TikTok actually. And then nakita kami, and then now I can see her videos and pictures na I can see the growth. And I am amazed by every drag sister, every drag queen that I know yung nag-grow. As in like parang, oh, I'm happy for them. Parang ganun. Tayo di pa nakikita. Very soon. Diba? Diba? Di pa naman end of the world. Pakimura po ako, ma. Ayoko kasi mahal ako. Saring lang. Di ako mapamura. Tama ba? Hindi ako mahilig mag-char. Malinis. Ano pong naramdaman mo nun while lip-syncing for your life? Honestly, it was nerve-wracking. Honestly, guys. It was grabe yung kaba ko nun. And totoo yung nangyayari. Like yung lightning na effect, sound effect. Totoo yun. Yung lights na gumaganon. When that happened, like, oh my. Nasa mind ko, like, oh my God, this is real. I am going to be lip-syncing for my life right now. And hindi nakita sa edit, pero I was just breathing. I was praying the entire time. Breathing because, of course, oxygen, food for the brain. Praying for guidance, ganyan. And then, sabi ko talaga sa self ko na, I wish that he would, he would perform with me at the time. And I lay it out lahat-lahat, and siya na bahala kung anong mangyayari, like kung ano mang mangyari dito or ano bang outcome ng lip sync battle na to. I would take it with everything, because I know that he has like a purpose for that, ganon. Masakit, honestly, yes, yung result. But, things happen for a reason. If ma-offeran ka po ba to compete against sa Drag Race Feature, tanggapin mo ba? Oo naman. Diba? Sabi ko pa dati, like, who am I to say no to an opportunity? Diba? Kasi, hindi lahat, or hindi all the time nandyan yung opportunity, guys. So, I can say this with a full heart na when the opportunity comes, grab it. If walang opportunity na walang opportunity na dumadating sa iyo, go find it. Ganun. Huwag kang maghintay na dadating lang yung opportunity sa iyo. Hanapin mo yung opportunity. Ganun. Tap whoever would help you get that opportunity. Yun yung ginawa ko dati. Like when I started drag, I really tapped on a lot of people just for me to be able to, have shows. Ganun. What can you say about the controversy circulating online regarding... Ay, nasagot ko na yun kanina. Wala akong alam sa full context. I feel sorry for them, but at the same time, a person should be responsible and be accountable for their actions. Ganyan. So, buti ka pa, madam, malayo sa issue right now. Buti naman. Dati ako yung issue. Pero, as much as possible, I would want to steer away from that, because right now I feel like I choose inner peace. Although I still miss performing, being around people and like that. And don't get me wrong, guys, I still would want to perform and I will still be performing. Okay, it's just that right now, wala pang mga invites for shows, but Nicole Pardo is still here, still alive. Okay. Nagpa-nose job ka ba, madam? Oo po. Thank you so much sa Dr. Kong, si Dr. Fremon Base, for making me look this gorge. Yes. Are you still doing drags po? Wow. Walang S, dear. Drag lang. Yes, opo. I am still doing drag. It's just that hindi nyo ako nakikitang nagda-drag because wala ngang invites. So, ako events-based talaga ako. So, kung may mga invites, nagpa-perform. Silicone or Cortex? Silicone yung sa akin. Yes. And, nag 2 years to siya nung May 8th. Yeah, so, nakakailang comment na ko, di ka na. Ay, sorry naman, Kian. Ano yung, sorry. Ano yung sinabi mo? Or anong tanong mo? May tanong ka ba? Pasensya. Di nagalaw silicone yan, ma. Huh? What do you mean nagalaw silicone? What do you mean by that? Hi, mother! Guys, ang aking allegedly, my drag mother, Moy Tora. May primer ka na ba, ma? Hindi pa. Bibili pa ako. Hi, drag mother. Nanonood ka po ba ng AS10 ngayon? Wala pa akong napapanood ng mga latest na mga or mga bagong even yung All Stars or like yung bagong season ng RuPaul's Drag Race. Hindi ko pa napapanood. Sorry. What's my motivation in life? Pera. Kasi mukhang pera po ako. Ako, honestly, I have to be honest about it. Ako materialistic person talaga ako. As in, I don't know how to save. Hindi talaga marunong mag-save talaga, guys. And alam to ng partner ko. Pero, kasi since hindi ako marunong mag-save, I would rather buy things na I can see or I can use. Para I would know na, okay, dito napunta yung pera ko, ganyan. Or, I also use it for like travel, para I can get new memories or new experiences, like when I go to Manila, ganyan. Sometimes, ako yung gumagastos talaga nun. So, ayun. Kailan kayo natapos mag-film ng hayop ka? But are you going to watch Drag Race PH Leishan Royal pa? Watch? Watch lang. Mabagay ba talaga Miss Jade sa Miss UK? Miss UK versus the world as clown. Yeah, I feel like Jade is ready to conquer the world. Like, she is already conquering the world, honestly. Di pa rin namamansin ng comment. Ano yung comment mo, Kian? Wait muna. Wala, i-type mo nga ulit. Sorry na. Di talaga. Ano nga comment mo? Ano ang comment niya? Imong verse jud ako gusto sa Tanan Girl Group Challenge ay. Oh, thank you so much, Nehemia. Walang thoughts about sa chismis, ma. Huli ka na. Nasabi ko na. Nag-comment na ako kanina. Charing. Hello, ma. You're so pretty. Thank you so much. Branding ni mo, ma. Bear. Comedy bar. Sorry. Ang galing nyo po sa drag din. Ano ba yan? Same kanina ni Katkat. Ay, nag-ano ba? Nag-live ba si Katkat? Hinanap ba ako? Hindi naman ano hinahanap nun eh. Tatampo na. Hindi ba? Di ba? Panood kita sa All Stars 10. Oh, wow! Madi talaga namin ang mansin malamig ba sa workroom? Malamig ang workroom, guys. Yes. Mapuro PPN ang topic. Okay. Tito kasi, kailan ka po magda-drag makeup ulit, ma? Pag pag nakabili na ako ng ano, ng primer tsaka ng ayun, fixing spray or yeah, setting spray, ayun. Na-meet ka na ba B RuPaul's? Ang dami naman ni RuPaul. Wait muna, yung anak ko. What's wrong, Langga? What's wrong? Nag-work si Daddy. No. Ha? Stop na ha. Stop na. It's already night time. You have to sleep na. Come on, Jack. It's already night time. Langga. On the weekend, magbabata. Sorry, yung anak ko. Ayun. Ang dami nyo ngayon ah. Usually nasa ano lang ako, yung mga viewers ko nasa 3 or 5, sorry. Magawa ka ng mug version mo soon. Gawa ako ng mug version ko soon. Wala pa ba akong nagagawang mug version? Di ko na-gets yun. What do you mean by that? Miss mo ba ako? Sino to? Si Aya. Hayop ka. Kaninong account na naman to ba? Makeup guru. Ay, malay ko ba kung kaninong ano yan? Kaninong account yan, Aya? Ay. Wait, anong oras? 1:22 pala. Ala, wait guys ha. Wait. Parang may call. Meron ba?